How can the trade relation between India and UK be strengthened post Brexit?
Yeah, I think India and UK have very long-standing, strong economic ties because of affinity between the two countries for various historical reasons, similar institutions, similar administrative structures, legal practices. So our ties are very strong across all dimensions, whether it's goods or services or investment. And Brexit, in some ways, the impact of Brexit on our bilateral ties is exaggerated. Of course, a lot of uncertainties are there, which will be resolved in due course. But at the same time, the underlying, fundamentals remain unchanged, and in some ways, the focus on our bilateral ties becomes even stronger because Britain being a separate entity outside the EU means, to that extent, our bilateral relationship becomes more important. So I'm sure that these will grow from strength to strength, and we have various institutional structures for regular engagement across our stakeholders to resolve difficulties, find more opportunities, and I'm sure in due course a formal relationship will also be worked out. So I think both sides are very optimistic about the future of our ties.
So, do you think post Brexit, Indian MSMEs will get a better access into the UK market?
No, certainly the effort is to keep improving access over time. Effort is to improve access over time, and certainly over time both stakeholders of both countries will find better access in a planned and organized manner, and that is what all these formal agreements are aimed at. Formal agreements, and I'm sure in due course it will happen once all these uncertainties about Brexit will be resolved, and those agreements are aimed at improving access for both sides in a commercially meaningful manner, in a planned and organized manner, without causing too much pain to any stakeholder, without ignoring the sensitivities that both sides will have. So I'm optimistic on that score.
Also, government is already promoting trade with the African countries, and it has allowed several duty-free imports to many African countries also. So, do you think ICSA, the Commonwealth SME Association, will synergize this area?
Certainly, Commonwealth remains a major trading partner for us, and there again, just as with UK, there is some commonality of the context, and there's comfort between both sides as far as India and UK is concerned. Similarly, India and the Commonwealth also, there is a common background and there is some comfort in dealing with each other. So that relationship also will grow over time, and I'm sure in the future there will be efforts focused, more pointedly towards promoting those relations.